Hi guys, picked this kite up in a charity shop last year sometime, can't quite remember when. 129 by 104 centimeters, 70D Ripstop Nylon, FRP 0.5 millimeters, kite. It's a diamond kite, single string. I think it cost me 50p, and it happens to be windy today, so we're going to go out and give it a quick try. That was gusting up to 9 knots just then. It's calmed down quite a bit. Oh, nice bright kite. The packaging looked well worn, but the kite looks perfect. That doesn't look like it's even been used. Right. Looks like the line's a bit of a mess. I think I'll pay the line out just so I can straighten the line. Right, that's sorted the line out. The wind has dropped completely now. Right, we've got all the line out and we're flying. Looks like it's going right a little bit, but other than that, yeah, so there we go. 50p in a charity shop. I like it. Yeah, that'll do. Not going to worry about trying to trim it perfectly. Certainly worth 50p.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.